Imagine starting your day preparing a nutritious breakfast, not just for yourself, but for someone who relies on you. This is how Sarah, a dedicated support worker, begins her day. With the first light of the morning, she's already in the kitchen, meticulously assembling meals designed to meet the unique health needs of her clients. Fresh fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, each plate is a balance of goodness and care. But Sarah's morning duties extend beyond the culinary. As she serves breakfast, she also serves up friendly conversation. She chats about everything from yesterday's weather to the latest book she's read, engaging her clients in lighthearted banter. These moments of connection, though seemingly small, set a positive tone for the day, fostering a sense of companionship and mutual respect. With breakfast done and dusted, it's time for the next task on Sarah's to-do list. Ever wondered how support workers help maintain their clients' physical health? As the sun rises, Sarah is already busy assisting her clients with their morning exercises. These gentle yet crucial exercises ensure that her clients retain their mobility and strength, fostering independence. But Sarah's role doesn't stop at exercise. She is also responsible for ensuring her clients take their prescribed medications on time. It might seem like a simple task, but it's a critical one. Sarah adheres to strict protocols to avoid any health complications, ensuring that the correct medication is given at the right time. These tasks, while fundamental, require a deep understanding of physical health and a keen attention to detail. It is through these daily routines that support workers like Sarah improve the lives of those they care for, promoting longevity and overall wellness. But physical well-being is just one aspect of Sarah's job. Emotional support is equally important. How do you comfort someone facing health challenges? That's where the expertise of support workers like Sarah comes in. They provide a comforting presence, a listening ear, and a shoulder to lean on. Sarah understands that emotional well-being is just as crucial as physical health. She engages her clients in therapeutic activities tailored to their individual needs. It might be a simple game of cards, a calming session of painting, or a heartening chat over a cup of tea. These activities are designed not just for amusement, but to boost their mental and emotional well-being. Sarah's efforts help her clients cope with their health conditions, making their journey a little less daunting and a lot more hopeful. She's there to share in their joys, to listen to their worries, and to offer reassurance when things get tough. Support workers like Sarah don't just care for their clients' physical and emotional needs, they also help them integrate into the community. Can you imagine how rewarding it would be to help someone feel part of a community again? This is a reality for support workers like Sarah. She doesn't just attend to the physical and emotional needs of her clients, she also plays a crucial role in integrating them back into the community. Through careful coordination with healthcare professionals and community organizations, Sarah ensures her clients can participate in community events. Whether it's a local fair, a charity run, or a simple gathering at the park, these interactions provide a sense of belonging. They help her clients feel not just cared for, but also connected, valued, and part of something larger. This sense of community can significantly improve their overall quality of life, fostering a sense of purpose and boosting their morale. It's not just about health, it's about happiness and fulfillment too. As the day ends, Sarah reflects on the positive impact she has made. What does it mean to make a difference in someone's life every day? As the day draws to a close, Sarah takes a moment to reflect. Each interaction, each shared smile, each moment of support, they all add up to a profound impact. It's not just about tasks completed or boxes ticked, it's about the lives touched and improved. Sarah understands that her role as a support worker extends beyond the typical definition of a job. It's a calling, a commitment to fostering healthier, happier lives. It's about seeing the person, not just the patient, and recognizing their unique needs and aspirations. Every day she contributes to a tapestry of care that goes unseen, but is felt deeply by those she supports. These are the quiet victories, the small yet significant triumphs that make her work so rewarding. So, that was a day in the life of Sarah, a support worker. They truly are the unsung heroes of healthcare. Being a support worker isn't without its challenges. The long hours, the emotional toll, the physical demands, they can all be daunting. But the rewards? They are immense. The screen shifts to a montage of Sarah's day, highlighting moments of connection and accomplishment. The opportunity to make a significant difference in someone's life, to aid in their growth and well-being, these are the moments that make all the challenges worthwhile. The relationships formed, the trust earned, the smile shared, they all contribute to the gratification that comes with this job. The video transitions to various scenes of support workers in different settings. So next time you meet a support worker in your community, take a moment to appreciate the work they do. Their dedication and compassion make a world of difference in the lives they touch. The scene ends with a call to action. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the unsung heroes in our communities, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content.